Good morning. So it's Friday again. The usual, we're going to ride to Hanifa Park. And I'm going out solo because wala si Rex. I've been sending him message and trying to reach him. However, he's not responding. So I'll ride out solo today. Maybe he'll catch up later. I don't know if he's gonna ride. So yeah, see you at Hanifa. So today I'll be taking the the underpass. Because it's kind of safe. There's not much car coming. That's fine. I'll take the underpass. Finally, the sun is up. I'll be taking this first turn, this right one. So, ako yung pinaka-late. I'll try to catch up with them. So right now we are here at the base of the Irka climb. It's all the way there. So we're waiting for the boys. So sila na yan, sabayan na namin. Tara, kasi nakabuelo yung mga yan.
Twilight echoes boom. Sons of war bear hopes flag high. March through fire, never shy. Battle drums pound in our hearts. Charging
Hala, hala.
freely, fear apart.
Hala, hala.
Bullets rain, yet we stand strong. For honor, glory, fight till dawn.
Akala namin nandun kayo.
Sabi ko sa'yo dito eh. Uy, pagkain.
Tapos na kami maglomi. So it's time to go home. It's time to go home. So here, may isa nang aalis sa amin. Si shoutout daw.
Sobrang lamig guys.
Yeah.
Busog sa lumi guys.
Sobrang lamig, 6 degrees. Pero buti na lang nakapagpainit ng tiyan sa Lomi. I got 3 cups of Lomi. So at this point, we said We said goodbye to Archie. Dito lang siya. I'm saying goodbye to Aldrin. He's taking the U-turn, going to Sulaymaniyah, and I'm taking this Abdulaziz Road. Alright, so I'm back at the apartment. So, right for the day ends here.